Is underway in the murder kidnapping trial for Christopher Clements. 6-year-old Isabel Celis was taken from her bedroom home in 2012. Her remains were discovered 5 years later. This is the second trial for the already convicted child killer. Clements was convicted and sentenced to life in prison in the murder and kidnapping of 13-year-old Maribel Gonzalez last fall. And News 4 Tucson's Lupita Murillo has been covering the trial for us. And you've just stepped out of the courtroom and you have the very latest, Lupita. What can you tell us?
That's right. I just stepped out of the courtroom, and I can tell you that the state has rested its case against Christopher Clements, but there is one less juror hearing the case. Today, Judge James Marner excused the juror after that juror tested positive for COVID-19, and that leaves 9 men and 4 women sitting in the jury box. Cy Ray, a cell phone data tracking expert, finished his testimony, and when questioned by the defense if he was getting paid by the state, he replied he was not being paid for his services. It was the jury's turn to ask questions. Ray was asked to go over Clements' cell phone data from April 21, 2012. Ray told the jurors at 12:20 a.m. Clements had an outgoing call from Orange Grove and I-10, where Clements told investigators he was at Hooters with friends and then went to Bedrock's next door. Then there were other calls. He says Clements' phone pinged around the Broadway-Craycroft area near the Celis home at 6:30 a.m. There was no activity until 9:20. There was an incoming text at I-10 in Twin Peaks near Avra Valley. At 10:13, the cell phone pinged again at Avra Valley and Trico Roads, where the remains of Isabel Celis were found. The state has called 25 witnesses to the stand. The defense will be calling their witnesses next, and we understand that about right now, Christopher Clements is being arraigned for promoting prison contraband. Again, Christopher Clements is being arraigned on another charge now, and this is for promoting prison contraband. I need to get back into the courtroom so that I can bring you all the latest information coming up on News 4 at 5. Reporting live from downtown, Lupita Murillo, News 4 Tucson.